the width of rectangle, I think it's supposed to say of a rectangle, is 2 meters less than the length. If the area of the rectangle is 99 square meters, find the length and width of the rectangle. So first thing I'm going to do here is draw a picture of a rectangle. Okay, so we have the width is 2 meters less than the length. So whatever we have, the length is some amount. We know whatever that length is, though, this width right here is going to be just 2 less. Okay. The area of the rectangle is 99, so that's like all the area inside. Find the length and the width. Well, to find area, we can do length times width, right? That equals the area. And so what we can do is say, okay, length is L, the width is just L minus 2. When we multiply that, in fact, let me do this over here. So we have space. We want to put the whole L minus 2 in parentheses because otherwise it won't multiply correctly. So we know when we multiply the length and the width, we're going to get the area, which in this case is 99. And then let's go ahead and multiply this out. So L times negative 2, it needs to multiply both, it needs to distribute. So L times L becomes L squared minus 2L equals 99. Now again, this is something we need to solve. So whenever you're solving a quadratic equation, you want everything on the same side equal to 0. So we'll minus the 99 from both sides. Cancels over there. We get L squared minus 2L minus 99 equals 0. What I did is, if you remember to carry down that equals 0 for every step, it can help you remember to solve it and not just factor it. Okay, so we are looking for factors of 99 that add up to negative 2. So the first factor I can think of is 9 and 11. That one's just the obvious one to me. We could go down 3 and 33, and I think that's going to be it, or 1 and 99. But one has to be negative, one has to be positive because they have to multiply to be a negative 99. But they have to add to be a negative 2. So I'm seeing this first one, if I did negative 9 plus 11, well, that will be a positive 2. That doesn't work. It doesn't equal the negative 2 that we need. So what if we did 9 plus a negative 11? Well, that will equal a negative 2. That's exactly what we need. So these are going to be our two factors. Okay. So because there's not a number in front, we can just put those in the parentheses. We'll have L plus 9 and L minus 11 are equal to 0. And you can always do a quick check. 9 times negative 11 does equal negative 99. Positive 9 minus 11 does equal negative 2. Okay, now at this point we need to finish. So let's set them both equal to 0 and solve. So L plus 9 equals 0. We subtract the 9 from each side, so L equals negative 9. That's a problem, right? We can't have a negative number, so we know this one is not really the length. L minus 11 equals 0. We add 11 to both sides. L equals 11. There we go. We like this one better because 11 can be a length. We can't have a negative number for a length, but we can have a positive number. So this one we're going to have 11 meters for the length, and then to find the width we subtract 2. We know the width is 2 less, and so the width will be 9 meters. So that's where this negative 9 came in, but we need to make sure to use the correct one for the length and then the correct one for the width. Now we can do a check again, make sure it fits in the parameters of the problem. Is the width 2 meters less than the length? Well, yes it is. 9 is 2 less than 11, and the area will still be 99 because 11 times 9 is 99. So just make sure, draw yourself a picture, label the sides, and then use the formula for area as you go throughout.